All right. So I see everybody's from everywhere. Okay. So if you have some playing cards, you can follow along with us. You can try this on your own. Um, so right now, I know I have all these other cards here, um, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 9 of spades. The spades doesn't matter too much, more the number. Okay, so the ace here, it will be considered a 1, just the number 1. Okay, not the number 11. I know sometimes. Yes, I did get a haircut, Rob. I did. Okay, so um, let's talk about what we're going to be doing today. So these are going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I do not have 10, but you could go on and on, right? 10, 11, and 12, and so on. So the cards are really just to help us think about what we're going to be talking about. We have two things that I want us to be thinking about: ascending numbers and descending numbers. So ascending meaning up, and descending meaning down. Okay, so no matter what, we're always going to be looking at the ascending and the descending, the way that we write, the way that we read. So from left, usually, how we read here in America, we'll say reading from left to right. So in this case, if we just look at this example right here, we have ascending numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 ascending numbers. And I want to know, how about, let me ask everybody here, are there any descending numbers? If we're looking at it from left to right, are there any descending numbers? Put in the chat yes or no, or even maybe if you think it's a maybe. Yes, no, or maybe. Are there any descending numbers if we look at it from left to right? Descending. Ah, there we go. Okay, so a bunch of no's. So again, descending, meaning the numbers would be decreasing, or the numbers from left to right. If you look at any numbers from left to right, they are smaller than the previous ones, previous one or ones. They don't have to be consecutive for this activity. So I'll give an example. So let's say, so this is one that we've seen. So ascending, we have 4 numbers ascending, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then no descending. Okay, so let me shuffle these. And let's see, we'll get something. How about something like this? Okay, so I shuffled them, and let's see now. Let's see how many ascending or descending numbers. Okay, so we can take a look at 1 and 3. So those are ascending. We have 1, or we can say, yeah, 1 and 2. Those are ascending. And we have 1 and 4. So those are ascending. Okay. We cannot see the cards. Oh, whoopsie. Let me spotlight it. Now you should be able to see the cards. There we go. We're looking for ascending numbers right now. If we look at all these cards, we can see that as for ascending, we have, it seems like we have 3, right? So don't worry, I'm getting to it. Okay, so just for now, we're looking at ascending and descending numbers. Okay, if we look at these 4 cards, no worries. So we're looking at these cards. For ascending, again, we can either match 1 with 4. So these would be 2 ascending cards, but I can't use any other ones because 4 is bigger than 3 and 2. So these, I can't say these are ascending with these 2. Okay, so because it would be those the only ones I could choose. Or if I chose 1 and 3, 2 is smaller than 3, so now I can't say this one's also ascending. So again, we have 2 ascending cards from left to right. So far, we've only seen 2. How about descending? I can choose 3 and 2. Those are descending. But I could also choose 4, right? 4, 3, and 2. So it seems like we can have 2 descending, or we can have up to 3 descending so far. The way that I arrange the cards, right? I shuffle the cards, and this is how many descending cards I found. Okay, so now the goal is, so I know that David and a few other people were asking, we do have 3 descending cards. So we're trying to figure out, the goal of this activity is trying to figure out, can we find an arrangement, right? Because we had 3 descending and we had 2 ascending. Can we find an arrangement of these 4 cards so that there is no more than 2 ascending or 2 descending numbers in the arrangement that we do? So in this case, this would not follow that rule. So there's no more than 2 ascending or 2 descending numbers. In this case, this works because the ascending, there's 2 ascending, but there's 3 descending. So this arrangement would not work. So my question to all of you is, can you find an arrangement for these cards so that there is no more than 2 ascending and 2 descending numbers or cards? So take if you need a minute, take some time. If you have a set of numbers, yeah, let us know, raise your hand, and we will call on you. So if you have, so don't, try not to put it in the chat, try not to put in the chat. Try not to put in the chat. So actually, Martha actually has a good example, just so that we can see it. No, don't worry, Martha, actually, this is a really good example. This is a really good example. So you said 1, 2, 4, and 3, right? Just so that we can all see it. So 1, 2, 4, and 3 has 3 ascending, right? 1, 2, and 4. Oh, you can't even see that message. Oh, wait, is that right, Spencer? They can't even see messages? They should be able to, right? Oh,
It's my understanding they should be able to.
oh, it's because Martha message.
Oh, she sent it to all panelists. Yeah.
Yeah, she sent it to panelists. Oh, actually, that's actually a good way to do it. If should we call on people, or should we, if they have a guess, should they chat us specifically? What do you think, Spencer?
I'll leave it at your discretion if you want to call people up, or if you want them to message just Javier. To message just Javier, just make sure that your messages say all panelists, not all panelists and attendees.
Okay.
So I'll let you decide if you want to call people up or if you want to get them to type in chat.
Well, that's a very good. We usually call on people, so we'll call on people. We'll call on people. So again, raise your virtual hand if you have an arrangement for a 4-card arrangement. So raise your hand, and we will call you up, and you can tell us how you arranged your cards, so that we can see, we can double check just to make sure everything works. So again, no more than 2 ascending and 2 descending cards. So just so that, as an example, this was the one that Martha sent me through the chat. So it was 1, 2, 4, 3. Again, this does not work just because there is 3 ascending cards. It would work if it for descending, because there's 2 descending, but it has to work for both ascending and descending. In this case, this did not work, but that's okay. We can figure this out. So again, raise your virtual hand if you have an arrangement for these cards. Let me know, and we will call you up. So again, take a minute. It could actually help. Oh, AJ, you already have one. Okay, let's call AJ up.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, AJ. AJ, tell me, how should I arrange these cards so that there's no more than 2 ascending and 2 descending?
2 ace. So
2,
first
2 ace.
And then 4, 3.
4, 3. Okay.
That works.
Well, that works. Let's see.
2 to 10. And then
2 ascending here, or 2 descend. Oh, let's go with the ascending first. You're right. So 2 and 3 works. but nothing else, it looks like. Or I can do 2 and 4, but that's about it. Or I can do 1 and 4, but I can't do 3. So ascending looks like, oh, whoopsie. Ascending seems to work.
What do you
Or-
mean? That ace, that could be an 11 or a 10. I forgot which.
So AJ, just to clarify for everyone. So again, just one more time, the ace will only be counted as 1. So I know sometimes you might see it as like also 11, but we'll count it as just 1. Okay.
Then darn it.
No, but this works. I think this works. AJ, right? For ascending, there's only 2 cards that are ascending that we can choose, right? 2 ascending, just like that. And then for descending, I can either do 2 and 1 or 4 and 3. That works. AJ, you figured out. Awesome. So we found one way, 2, 1, 4, and 3. We found 2, 1, 4, and 3. Are there any other ways where we can find that also have the no more than 2 ascending and 2 descending? I see Liang Yu.
Stay a panelist.
AJ, let's let other people come up. But thank you so much for helping us out with this one. So far we have 2, 1, 4, 3 that works. Are there any other ones? Liang Yu, we can call up Liang Yu. Spencer, could you help us out? All right, they already sent it to us through the chat, but just so that everybody can hear.
3, 1, 4, 2.
3, 1, 4, 2. Let's see, 3, 1, 4, 2. How do you change your name to your real name? You should be able to click your, you should be able to click, all right, Spencer, they should be able to click their name or in the participant section or attendees. You click on the little more button and it should say.
No, so unfortunately, as attendees, the name that you have in chat is the name that you used when you registered on the actual Zoom link. So like there was a Math Monday invitation, or if you might have gotten it from your teacher, they would be using like their name, for instance. So you can only change that if you get called up as a panelist. Really sorry about that. It's kind of more of a Zoom bug.
Okay. And Liang Yu, is that your name?
My name is Grace.
Grace?
Yes.
Okay, let me write that down so that next time I know, because you can't really change your name, I will write it down so that next time, if you join us for another Math Monday, I will know exactly your name. So Grace. All right, perfect. So Grace, you said 3, 1, 4, 2. Is that the one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's double check. Let's see. Ascending looks like I can choose 3 and 4. Okay, but I can't choose 2. If I have 1 and 4, I can't choose 2 either. Or if I do 1 and 2, I can't choose this 4. So it looks like for ascending works. Now for descending, I can do 3 and 1, but I can't do 2 and 4. I can do 3 and 2, but I can't do 1 and 4. And then 4 and 2, and that's looks like about it. So far we got 2. All right, thank you so much, Grace. We got another one that we found. So we got, let's see, let me write them down just that we have it. Let's see, we had 3, 1, 4, 2, and then the other one that AJ found us, I think it was 2, 1, 4, 3. Are there any other ones that people have found? So we have 3, 1, 4, 2, and 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3, and 3, 1, 4, 2. Are there any other ones? So again, once you have another arrangement or another order for these cards, so again, Zara, so you were trying to figure out an order of these cards so that we can get no more than 2 ascending. Okay, no more than 2 ascending or 2 descending cards. So like the one that we just did, there's no way in this arrangement to get 3 ascending cards. Meaning, if we look at it from left to right, I can't choose 3 cards that they're increasing by number. They're increasing by number. Like in this case, let's see, like in this case, I can choose 2, 3, and 4 where these are increasing. or I can choose 1, 3, and 4 where they're increasing. In terms of decreasing, I can only choose 2 and 1 where they're decreasing. So 2 is bigger than 1, like that. Okay, we're trying to figure out how, if there's another order we can find of these cards so that they're, if we look at it this way, if we look at it this way, when we go down the list of the cards, there we don't get any more than 2 ascending and 2 descending. All right, there we go. Okay. Perfect, perfect. So far, again, just so that we remember, I'll use a different set of cards just so that we have them. So the ones that we found so far of the orders, let me see. I have a few cards over here on the side. So far we've gotten these 2. If I can find, oh, where's the ace? Give me 1 second. Oh, there it is. So far we got this one, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2 works. And then the other one, just so that I use these cards. So the other one was 2, 1, 4, 3. Okay, Daniel looks like he's given us a number. Daniel, should we, let's call Daniel up, or Nena, Spencer, Nena, so that he could tell us the order. So far we got this one that works, 3, 1, 4, 2. Spencer, could you call up? There we go. All right, Daniel, tell us what's the other order that works.
The other order is 3, 4, 8, and 2.
3, 4, 8, and 2. Okay. Oh yeah, we haven't done this one yet. We have not done this one. And again, no matter what I choose, it looks like these 2 are ascending, or I can choose these 2 that are ascending. And then for descending, it looks like those 2 are descending, or these 2, or these 2. All right, looks good. So far, we've gotten these. This was one of them. This is another one. Let me see if I can get the other set. I'll use all the cards right now, since why not? Oh, okay. Here we go. All right, and then the one that AJ did was, just so that we remember, 2, 1, 4, 3. Okay, so far we got that order. Yeah, AJ, that one, the one that Daniel did, kind of looked like yours, I think. Kind of, a little bit. And then there's one more. There's one more. Ooh, what about Abigail? Oh, here we go. Now we have some hands. All right, thank you so much, Daniel, for helping us out with this one. Is there one more order that we can find? Abigail, I saw your hand. Did you find another one? Abigail?
Yeah,
Okay, what was the order that you found?
I found 2, 4, 1, 3.
2, 4, 1, 3, like this?
Yeah,
All right. Looks very different from all the other ones. All right, that's good. And ascending, okay, looks like that, or I can have these 2. And then or these 2, that seems like there's no 3 cards where I can have ascending. And then and then 3 for descending, looks like 4, 3, or 4, 1. And that seems to be it. All right, looks good, Abigail. Thank you so much for helping us out. And okay. Has anyone done that? Yeah, there was no one that had done this one just yet. Look at, if we take a look at them, all of them are different. All of them are different, right? 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3. All of them look very, very similar. Ooh, just so that we, okay, so I have a few more coming in. I have a few more coming in just so that we can see this. I have, let's see, so 1, 4, 3, 2. Let's try, I'll use this one just so that, yeah, I'll use this one just so that we have, so 2, 4, 1, 3. So someone said 1, 4, 3, 2. Let's check it. Actually, let's see. 1, 4, 3. Oh, 1, 4, 3, 2 kind of looks like this one. So I'll use this one just so that we can see it. So we have 2, 1, 4, 3. If we change it to 1, 4, 3, 2, this is not going to work because we have the ascending seems to work, right? 1, 3, or 1, 2, or 1, 4. But again, descending, it's 4, 3, 2. We have 3 cards that are descending. Or Grace told us, what if you tried 1, 3, 2, 4? 1, 3, 2, 4. Also, well, the descending seems to work, right? There's only 3, 2 that decreases, but ascending, we have 3 again. 1, 2, 4. Ah, how about Zara saying, what about 3, 2, 1, 4? 3, 2, 1, 4, just so that we can see it. 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 1, 4. Ascending looks great. Ascending looks great because we have 1, 4, or 2, 4, or 3, 4. But descending, we have 3, 2, 1. We have 3, 2, 1 that are descending. So let's say, actually, I'll give it away now. I'll give it away now. The ones that all of you found, the 4 that you found were the only 4 for these cards. For if we have 4 cards, the 4 that we ended up finding were the only ones. I'll give it away now. Just so that we don't keep going. Oh man, but what was it? 1, 4, was it 1, 4, 3, 2? No, was it 1, 4, 2, 3? I think this is what it was. 1, 4, 2, 3. I believe. I didn't want to give it away just in case someone else wanted to try something. But again, these should be all the ones. These should be all the ones. So Anurajani, just so that we see 2 again, 2, 1, 4, 3 does not work. Wait, did we do 2, 1, 4, 3? 2, 1, 4, 3. Wait, I thought we had done 2, 1, 4, 3. Oh, 2, 1, 4, 3 is the one that we're missing. There you go. Ah, yes. Thank you, Anurajani. There you go. That's what I was like wondering. I'm like, wait, which one was I missing? But these should be the only ones that we have where there's no more than 2 decreasing or increasing cards or numbers. Okay. So now my question to all of you is, so let's move these to the side for now. Now my question to all of you is, so let's say we have the order again. Right? We can choose the order, but now I'm adding another card. Now I'm adding another card. So my question to all of you now, there's only 4 options if you have 4 cards. Yes, we only have 4 options, right? But now I give you another one. Now you have 5 options. So what about now? What about now? What can we find? Can we find an order for these cards so that there's no more than 2 numbers that are ascending or descending? Yes, all of you kept going. I didn't want to say anything, but again, my question to all of you is, do you think we can find an order for this so that there is no ascending, or there's no more than 2 ascending and descending? Ooh, Abigail has one. Whoa, no more than 2 ascending or descending. So we can call Abigail up. Spencer, could you call Abigail? All right, here we go. I think she had a guess. There are some guesses coming up in the chat.
I got
What was the order or the arrangement that you did?
3, 2, 4, 1, 5.
3, 2, 4, 1, 5.
Yep.
Okay, let's check. Let's see. All right, so ascending, we can have three. Oh no, there's 3 ascending that we can find. I can use 2, 4, 5, or I can use 3, 4, 5. That would be ascending, right? They're increasing. 3, 4, and then 5.
Oh,
Oh
I
no,
got each other.
that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Did you have another guess by any chance?
I could try.
You could try. Okay.
Maybe.
If not, well, while you're thinking, Abigail, we're also going to call up Zara. Okay. But keep going. Don't worry. If you have another one, let me know. No more than 2 ascending or descending. Zara, actually, while we let Abigail think, what was your order?
So I'm not like completely sure, but it was mine. I wrote was
Oh,
3,
yes.
5, 3, 5, 1, 4, 2.
3, 5, 4, 1, 2. Okay. Ooh. All right. Let's see.
Oh, wait, I think it was 3, 5, 1, 4, 2.
Oh, 1, 4, 2. Got it. I see it now in the chat. So we got 3, 5, 4, 1. Oh, 3, 5, 1, 4, 2. I keep saying 4, 1, 2. 3, 5, 1, 4, 2. Let's see. For ascending, we can do 1 and 3 and 4. Okay. Or 3 and 5. Or we can do 1 and 2 or 1 and 4. Okay. So ascending looks good. How about descending? We have 3 and 1 or 3 and 2, but we could have 5, 4, and 2. 5, 4, and 2.
Okay.
That's okay. That's okay. Abigail?
Yeah, I got 4, 2, 1, 5, 3.
4, 2, 5, 1, 3.
1, 5, 3.
1, 5, 3. Oh my goodness. I cannot hear these numbers. All right, it's 4, 2, 1, 5, 3. Let's see. Ascending looks to be good. Am I wrong? Okay, yes, ascending looks to be good, but descending we have 4, 2, 1. Oh no.
Oh,
Okay. Thank you so much, Abigail. Thank you so much, Zara. But it's time that I let you into a little secret that I have. I have a little secret. I didn't know if anybody was going to catch on to this. Yes, this is hard. There's a reason why this is hard. There's a very good reason why this is hard, and this is the secret. That this is impossible. This is impossible. Oh, someone knew it. Oh. So this is impossible. Once we added that extra card, you can no longer find any order where there's no more than 2 ascending and descending. You can find one that's just one or the other, but not both. We can't do that anymore. You had no idea. So yes, no matter what, you would be here for hours and hours and hours. You can't find any arrangement where there would be no more than 2 ascending and descending. And actually, what we can do is think about what happened before, right? So this, I'll give away the secret, okay? So just so that you can see, let's say we had this ordering of cards. So let me order the spades as 3, 1, 3142. Okay, so 3142. And I can choose anywhere to put this 5, right? I can put it in the front. I can put it in between the 3 and the 1. I can put it in between the 1 and the 4, in between the 4 and the 2, or at the very end, the 5. So let's go through it. Okay, I'm over now, but still, just to see. If I put this anywhere where this one worked, right? We saw that this one works for ascending and descending, right? No more than 2, right? Oh, Paul V, it's okay. If you have to go, that's okay. Completely fine. Okay, I know it's past 2:30. Well, all right. So let's see. So I have two more things. We'll go through the explanation super quick. Let's see. Let's go through the explanation. So if I put the 5 here in the very front, we have 5, 4, and 2 as descending. So that's not good. If I put the 5 in between the 3 and the 1, we have also still 5, 4, and 2. So it's still descending. If I put the 5 in between these 2 cards, then we still have 5, 4, and 2 as decreasing. That's still not good. If I put the 5 right here, now descending we're good, but ascending we're not good because it's 3, 4, 5. And last but not least, same thing. If I move it over here, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I know it is 2:30. If you can stay for just a little longer, I have another little challenge that I can give all of you, and you can try it out on your own. So now, that's the reason why I had all these other cards here. See, I had 9 cards specifically. So if you have to leave, that's okay. If you can stay just a little longer, I have this little challenge for all of you. Now, for 9 cards, can you arrange these 9 cards, kind of like the way that we did 4 cards, can you arrange these 9 cards so that there is no more than 3 ascending and 3 descending? Okay, so now before, when we had 4 cards, you couldn't do any more than 2, no more than 2 ascending and 2 descending. And then for the 9 cards, do you think you can do it? This one is possible. I'll say this one, I'll give it away before I won't I won't have you do anything that you can do. So this is the challenge. This is possible. This is possible. But that's my challenge to all of you. Can you find an order for these cards so that there's no more than 3 ascending or 3 descending? I know, right? How many orders are there? Oh, there's a good amount. There's a good amount. If you want to know how many orders there are, actually there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. I can type the number. Should I give it away, Spencer? How many different ways you can do this? What do you think, Spencer? There's lots of ways. I'm not going to give you one specific way, but I will tell you there are let me see if I remember this correctly. I wrote it down somewhere, I think. Okay, maybe I didn't. I believe, don't correct me if I'm wrong, there's 1,724 ways we can get this so that there's no more than 3 ascending and descending. Okay, so come on, I think we can do it. All right, if you want, you can try to find one out for in the next 5 or so minutes, right? I'll stay here. If you want, you can try this on your own. That's completely fine too. But there should be lots and lots of ways. How is it impossible? I just told everybody that there is more than 1,000 ways to do this. There's more than 1,000 ways to do this. Plot twist, he is wrong. Oh wow! I hope I'm not wrong. Okay, we got some. Zara's guessing. Ooh, Zara has a guess. Zara has a guess. And Ramia, do you have a guess too? I've seen your hand up for a while. Do you want to try? Or was it for the when we had 5 cards? If not, Ramia, could we call Ramia up? Let's see if they have a guess.
Uh,
Ramia,
sure. So my guess is like a two. I mean 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
6, 6, 5, 4.
4.
8, 7, 9.
8, 7, 9.
I mean 7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9. Okay, but remember, Ramia, is that your name?
No, my name is Upasana.
Say that one more time.
Upasana.
Pasana. Okay. Is Pasana. Okay. Okay. So let's check it. Let's see. Okay. Pasana, let's try it out. So let's see. There we want it so that there's no more than three ascending or descending. So in the chat, what do you think? Is this going to work or not work for no more than 3 ascending and descending? Zara, I see your guess. Don't worry. I'm gonna call you up in a second. Daniel, I see your guess too. Let's see. No more than 3 ascending and descending. That might work, by the way. What is it? So this usually ends in 30 minutes, but we've been thinking about making this a little longer, up to like 45 minutes. So if you can stay up to that 45 minutes, that's completely fine. If you have to go, that's why I did the explanation for the like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay. Pasana, they're saying maybe this isn't so good because let's see. If we're looking at just ascending, we have 1, 2, 3, and 6. There's already 4 ascending where they're increasing. Oh no. Decreasing looks good. So I think decreasing looks good, right? Because the only decreasing ones are 6, 5, 4. But then increasing, we can do 1, 2, 3, 6. We can do 1, 2, 3, 5. We can do 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 9. So, oh, it was like we're so close. We're so close. We're so close. Thank you so much, Pasana. Thank you so much, Pasana, for helping trying this one out. I know that this one's a little bit more difficult. It definitely is, just because we have so many cards. All right, so we got a few guesses. Let's see. Zara, I saw Zara. So let's call up Zara. Let's call up Daniel, and let's call up, is it Jeanette? I think also had a guess. Was it Jeanette? Yes, Jeanette Walter. There was 3 guesses that you can't have 1 or 9 as the first or last card. Ooh, Anurajani's giving us a little tip. There, you can't have 1 or 9 as the first or last card. Oh, okay. So
You said Daniel, Zara, and who else?
And it's Jeanette Walter, but that's her mom. So once she comes in, we'll ask what her actual name is. So let's call that. So if you don't know how to do this, that's completely fine. Don't worry. I know this one's a little bit more difficult. So if you want, keep trying. And I'm sure this, all right, there we go. Okay, so Zara, what was your guess? I see your guess, Grace, so don't worry. Hold on. Actually, let's call up Grace as well, or Liang Yu. Let's also call Grace up. All right, Zara, you said 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 6, 3, 9, 5, 7, 8, 6, 3, 9, 2, 4, 1. Ooh, let's see. 5, 7, 8, 6, 3, 9, 2, 4, 1. Ooh, okay. But check it out, Zara. Check it out. Oh, okay, Alex. Okay. I'm gonna write that down. Okay, Alex. Okay, don't worry. We should probably end like in the next 4 minutes, okay? So, all right, let's go through all the ones that had a guess. So Zara, ascending, I think descending, it seems to work, but ascending, take a look. We have, oh, actually, wait, this might work. We'll see. 5, oh no, 5, 7, 8. They're increasing, and then we have a 9. So there's 4 ascending. Oh no. That's okay, Zara. That's okay. All right, let's see. So, all right, what about Daniel? What was your guess? Let me see if I can find it in the chat, or if you can retype it.
So I came up with a few solutions, but they don't work.
Oh, okay. So it ended up not working.
The one I wrote right now, which doesn't work, is 7589142236.
7589. What was the 1,
4
4?
236, but it doesn't work.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Yeah, I see. Is the ascending? There's 4 ascending right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay, Daniel. I know this one's a little bit more difficult, so don't worry. All right, Alex, what about you? Did you have a guess? Oh, Alex, you put it. Okay, so 914, 914. I know this one's difficult. 914, 2365. If you want to make it a little bit easier, you can always take some cards away, and that could make it a little bit more easier. And try that and see if you can get up to the 9 cards. Okay, but I wanted to show all of you to see if you can try this one out. So 914, 236, 236, and then 587. All right, let's check it, Alex. Let's see. We got, oh no, ascending. We're already not doing so good because we got 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. We have 5 ascending. Oh my goodness. We have 5 ascending. Okay. And then last but not least, we had Grace. Grace had 1.
Yes.
What was your, let me see if I can find yours, Grace. Let me see if I can find it to the chat. All right. Oh, here it is. 946, 946, 132, and then 587. Ooh, let's see. Let's try it out. So ascending. Ooh, okay. Looks like I'm only getting 3, which is good. Okay. Not ascending 1, 2, and 5. Oh, close. 1, 2, 5, and 7. 1, 2, 5, and 7. Oh no. Does everyone want to see at least one example that works? And then I'll leave it like that. Does everyone want to see one example? I'll show you one example. So again, thank you so much, Zara. Thank you so much, Daniel. Thank you so much, Alex and Grace. I'll show one example that does work. I'll show one example. All right, here we go. Here we go. Are we ready for this? All right, let me see if I remember this correctly. Okay, I got it. I think I got it. Oh, actually, Zara wants to try another one. Need to be convinced that it's possible. It is possible. Trust me, and I will show you all one. So Zara, give us one more just so that we can before I give one solution to this. There's 1,700 something. It has to be. Go ahead.
I don't know about this for sure, but 7189
7189
64532.
64532. Okay. So ascending, right? If I choose 7, there's 8 and 9. Okay, that's good. If I choose 1, there's 8 and 9. That's good. If I choose 1, the only ones that are bigger the best I can do is either 6 or 1 or 8, 9 or 4, 5. So ascending looks to be good, but Zara, descending is not working because we have 9 and 6 and 5 and 3 and 2. we got 5 descending, but ascending did work. Ascending did work, but descending didn't work. Okay, so everybody, let me show you all one that does work. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. You might think it's like super, super simple, but it's gonna work. Trust me. I believe. Okay. So I have 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 9, 8, 7. And let's double check. Let's double check just to make sure. All right. So far, let's see. If we look at it's much easier to do descending first, just so you see. Like the only ones that are descending are 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 9, 8, 7. Right? Those are only ones that are descending. Or well, now ascending is a little bit more difficult, but we can try. So for 3, I can do, these are not us, they wouldn't be bigger than 3. So I can do 6 and possibly 9, or 6 and 8, or 6 and 7. So it looks good. Everybody's saying it's simple. Right? It seems so simple once you look at it, once you see one. Oh man, it's so simple, but this works. This works. And there's 1,000+ more that do work that might be not as obvious, but they do work. But this is actually one that works, whether we look at it descending or ascending, right? So decreasing or increasing, this one does work. This one does work. Yes, we can actually say class is over. Okay, so again, you can try this out, see if you can find other orders that do work. Out of 1,000, I would get 1. That's okay, Zara. That's okay. Don't worry. Don't be so disappointed. Trust me. Even I took a while finding something like this. So don't be disappointed. Even for me, it was a little bit difficult at first. Okay. So okay. That's pretty much it for today. Bye everyone. Have a great Monday. We will hopefully you can come to the next Math Monday and all the Mondays after that. So we appreciate you being here. We appreciate you participating. Yeah. Have a great Monday, everyone. Bye. Bye.
Bye.